Today, blueberry mead. Hello, welcome back to German Brew. Today we make a blueberry mead. I have here the already cooked blueberries, say wild blueberries with date. Instead of sugar they use date syrup. And yes, so it's just date syrup, blueberries, water. They cook it all together and put it in this small glasses. We will use today a Linden flower honey, so lemon blossom honey. And I didn't try this before, so first we need to taste the honey and then we will start. So the glass is nice. Smells good. And we will try. Because I wanted to see how it tastes, maybe it's too good for this meat, but I think it's perfect. Great honey. You really can taste the different sweetness to the normal blossom honey. The flavors, I think it become a nice mead with the blueberries. Okay, we will take this honey. I will close it first. We will not need everything because here of course is also sugar from the dates inside. How much sugar is inside, how many sugar is inside, we will find out with the hydrometer and then we will see. First at all, let's open it. So, we put everything inside. I hope it become a nice dark color at the end. Of course we will put also water. We will just see how many volume we will have. Already smells good. It has 6.4 gram of sugar in 100 gram. And it's 125 gram of fruits and the rest of the 350 gram is liquid. I don't have pectin enzymes. I buy it a while ago, but I already use it in a wine we make. So and the result is really great. We don't have a video of the winemaking, but I will make a live stream when I make the bottling. So, okay, we have already 1.5 liter almost. Now let's see how much gravity we have. Hopefully we can get some liquid without blueberries. I guess. Okay, let's check. Of course everything is cleaned and sanitized with hot water. Now it's already have 1.38, 1.4, 0.38 or... So, the question is, we need to put it to 3 liters. I just fill it up now to a little bit more than 2 liters. And then we fill in the honey, then we will check again. Let's see if the water is already done. I filtered here some water, so just like I said, a little bit more than 2 liters. Still full of blueberries. So it's now 1.02. Normally I put 1 kilo of honey in 2 liter water. to get a 1.110. Our honey here, they said, have 83 gram of sugar. I think if we put 750 gram, that's a good amount. So let's get a scale. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 700 and a little bit more than 750. Just a little bit is left. We have now, okay, 759. Now we need to mix. Okay, normally I just mix this with this one. So electric mixer, also cleaned, lowest. The good thing is you also get a lot of oxygen inside.
One eternity later.
So, with foam we have 3 liters. Let's see if we can get some of the liquid. I mean, because of the shaking, the particles are smaller. So we try something else. We try to pour some liquid. Okay, let's see. This worked, but it's already empty. Okay, it goes up. 1.110, a little bit more, maybe 1.112. Yes, that's okay. I think we stay with this. Because if I put more water, we need to put more honey. The foam goes down also. I know because of the particles of the blueberries we will lose a lot of product. But I think it's okay. Let's get this and this and let's try to pour it well without making a mess. Okay, I already start to make a mess. Need a blow-up tube because that's a lot of foam, and I'm sure it become really foamy when it will start. For the start, by the way, we're using table wine yeast, 12% ABV tolerance, and it's again from Alcomat. My wife get it for me at my birthday in July, and I have still, she gets me 10 packages. I still have, I think, 6 with this one. And for the big bucket, I get this one also with me. It's Nutrients, Nutri-Mono it's called, also from Alcomat. It said yeast nutrients provides nitrogen and phosphate to your wine yeast, and by making them more efficient, speed up the fermentation process. Why I use this? Normally, you know, I just use the dead bread yeast. I don't have time, so I wanted to give it a try. Empty battery. Okay, nutrient yeast, there we go. Why I use it? You know, normally I use the dead bread yeast. I think I said it before. Before the battery was dead. I don't have time. That's so simple. You see, I already tried with one of the wines. Better I try it with every of the wine. The fermentation starts after not even 1 hour, so fast. And that's why I give it also to them. And because in 6 weeks we are in vacation, and I hope I can finish it before. So, I also get a spoon and a new funnel. Of course, the other funnel is full of liquid. First, it all get some small amount of nutrients. Normally, I will just use a teaspoon. That's no different now. take just a small of the nutrients. It's enough. It's concentrated nitrogen and phosphate, so the yeast will have a lot of fun. The full package, they said, is good for 25 liter. So I just even put in the 5 liter just a teaspoon. And now our yeast, also a good 2 teaspoons of yeast goes inside. Close it. Shake it. I will clean it. And then instead of this one, I will use a blow up tube. I will show you in a moment. So it will look like this. There you have a glass with vodka, cheap vodka. Then a tube in your fermenter, so the CO2 goes in the glass. Nothing can go inside because vodka. I hope the foam goes down a little more, and then we will see when it will start. If it will start stormy, like I think, and I will keep you updated. If you like this video, so here are 2 more, and here you can subscribe, and of course write in the comments. I really like your comments. What do you think about blueberry mead with, or a blueberry mel with wild blueberries, and of course with canned or in glasses? Did you also make it? Do you use fresh blueberries? Please, in the comments, share your wisdom with me. Share your recipes with me. I always wanted to make new recipes, especially historical meats. I'm really interested in. I have some ideas for old Celtic meat I will make. And for this now, we're done. We see us the next time. Bye.